Alright, we are beginning the video and we will be doing the swiping technique, okay?
No swiping swiper.
Today I am with two kids. So let's begin, okay? First, we will layer like this and then you guys will swipe it in this direction.
Okay.
So let's just begin. Put it on top of this, right, like this, and you have to hold it gently. Here. Now you have to just drag it. Yeah, both hands. Just drag gently.
Oh.
Yeah, put it down. And hold it with both hands and drag it gently. Good job. So let's remove couple of bubbles. I see some spaces here. Can you see here?
Yeah,
that was not dragged. So let's just put it like this and drag it down there. Ooh, look at that. The design, right?
Yeah. Something sort of reminds me of Peacock.
Peacock. Okay.
It looks like Peacock.
Yeah. So here's the dried piece for our swipe. And when I saw this, the half portion is very shimmery and the other half has the cells that to me look like peacock feather. So that's what I plan to do. If you can see right here, such beautiful cells in one direction. So what I did was I went ahead and drew two peacocks right here by using the acrylic pens that I got from Amazon. Here they are. And this is what I plan to do just to give it more shape of a feather. I will draw or outline the cells so it will look more like feather. So our golden peacocks sitting on a tree branch and with colorful feathers right here. That's what I plan to do. Let's see how it will turn out. Let's begin. So I'm using Posca pen to outline the peacock. So Oh, I'm sorry, I don't know what happened. I was filming it, but I think my camera battery died. But this is what I did here. Just drew some leaves. And this is an abstract painting, so not a problem. But basically what I'm doing here is all these cells from these swipes, I'm just outlining them so as if they are leaves. I don't know if you can see it just yet, but that's what I'm doing, nothing else. So they are in the shape of leaves. I'm making them in the shape of leaves. Not all cells are in the shape of leaves, but yeah, pretty much it. That's what I'm doing. So almost done, except now I'm taking this Posca pen and very lightly making the feathers. So here's the final piece. I tried to create as if two peacocks are sitting on two trees right in front of each other. And right here you can see I just used those cells, meaning I just outlined those cells to create the canopy of the trees. And this big yellow cell in the middle, it is giving an appearance of morning sun. So it's the entire piece looks like very serene morning scene. And this is the final look. Let me show you the feathers as well. I just finished it, no varnish yet, and still it is so shiny. I really liked it. Let me know what you think. I'll see you in next video.